start drawing wherever the hair parting is. Make the strands the same direction as the parting because it's straight. Leave a gap between the skulls so it doesn't look like the hair is suctioned to the head. Blonde hair almost never has blonde roots, usually brown roots. Add saturated colour on the edge of shadow. Drawing this shape makes it easier. Shade in between every wave, if that makes sense. So I drew the hair as if it's a piece of rope, and then I did S curved colour shapes like that to divide it up. Yeah, I'm very bad at explaining. Also, yes, this music was inspired by a car alarm.